Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to continue here with part design options. So in before tutorial, we have seen about this extruded boss and extruded cut. Now we are going to continue with this revolved boss. So what is meant by this revolved boss means by using this revolved boss, we are able to add material with a rotation with a reference to central axis. So while creating this revolved boss, we need to create here only half profile. Now let's say for example, in the front plane, I will go for sketch. So as we have discussed, while creating revolve boss, we need to create only half section. Now let me create like this. Just I'll create one profile like this. And just I'll make it here close. Here I have created only half section. Just we can make it fully defined. Then exit sketch, isometric. By using this sketch, I need to add material with rotation with reference to the central axis. So in such conditions, we can use here revolved boss. Then here we are able to select the central axis. Axis of rotation I need with reference to this. As you can see, with that shape, properly material will be added with rotation like this. Then next we are having here total 360 degrees. If you want only 270, you are able to adjust that angle like this. So how much you want, you are able to adjust, and you are able to change direction also. Like this, we can make it reverse. Then direction 2 also it is there. Just I'll turn on this. Let's say for example, it should start from some 20 degrees. So with reference to this sketch profile, this rotation of material will start with 20 degrees and exactly it will end with a total of 270 degrees like this. So just I will turn off this. Then thin feature is there. So if you want to make inside hollow, just we can turn on here thin feature and we are able to give thickness how much we want. Just by using this, we are able to give thickness of this material like this. Entire thing will be created with a thickness of 2 mm by keeping inside hollow. So here also we are getting material because we have created one main line. Now just let me enter into here edit sketch and let me convert this line into construction geometry. Then exit sketch. Revolved boss, with reference to this axis we need to add material. Let me select the sketch, then revolved boss. So here central axis is this like this. If I keep it here 270 degrees now, and if I go for thin feature in reverse direction, as you can see properly that material will be removed like this. So in this way we are able to use this revolve boss. Just I'll say okay like this. Then opposite to this we are having here revolved cut. So revolved cut is nothing but we are able to remove material with rotation by creating only half profile. Again let me enter into here new front plane sketch, make it normal. Same here also we need to create only half direction like half shape. Let me create the shape like this. With this shape we need to remove material with rotation. Just I'll make it exit sketch. I'll go here with revolved cut with reference to this is the central axis and just say okay. Here also same similar options will be available for us. If I say okay, with that rotation material will be removed like this by using half section. That is about this revolved boss and revolved cut. I hope you have understood this. Then next we will go here with swept boss. So what is meant by this swept boss means we are able to add material with defined profile along with the center guide curve. Now let's say for example on the front plane we are having one shape like this. Let me create one spline shape. Then exit sketch. I'll make it isometric. Just if I click on swept boss, in swept boss we are able to see here two options. First one is sketch profile, second one is circular profile. So what is meant by this sketch profile means with which shape we need to add material along with this guide curve, that shape also we need to draw. So while creating this swept boss with sketch profile, if one profile is on front plane, another profile should be normal to that. It means it should be on top plane like this. Just we'll go for sketch, make it normal. Let's say for example, I need to add material with this square shape along with that center guide curve. Just I'll make it isometric. Now we'll go for swept boss. Sketch profile. First we need to select this profile. So this is the my profile. Then guide curve we need to select here. Along with this guide curve we need to add material like this. With whatever the shape we have drawn, with that shape we are able to add material along with this guide curve like this. Then just we can see here different options will be there. So here guide curves we are having only single one. Then here also follow path with different things we can use. So just I need to add material by following the center path. I'll keep it same like this. Then next I'll go here with thin feature. So if you want inside hello, just we can turn on here thin feature and you are able to give thickness how much you want. Let's say for example I'll give some 5 mm in reverse direction, and if I say OK, with that leaving off 5 mm thickness properly, inside material will be removed. Now we will see how to see that section view of this part design, like if you make cut section, how it will be visible. For that, as you can see here section view option will be there. Click on that. You are able to take cut section with reference to front plane or top plane or side plane. Now we need to take cut section with reference to front plane, and you are able to adjust the cutting plane where you want to see that particular cut section like this. And if I say OK, properly that cut section will be shown. So by leaving here 5 mm thickness, entire material is going to remove here. Later if you want to turn off, just click on that section view, it will get normal. Like this we can do this. Now let me go here with edit feature and let me turn off this thin feature. So we don't want here thin feature. Just I will delete this. Then again I'll go for swept boss. Profile is this. Then guide is this. Let's say okay. With that shape we get added material. Then similar to that we are having here swept cut. So if you want to remove material with any shape along with the center guide curve, we can go for swept cut. Same for that, already we have created this guide profile. It is available under this sweep. Let me show the sketch. Mouse right click, we will show this. Instead of creating the same shape, by using that existing shape only we can remove material. Now with which shape we need to remove material, that shape I will create on this top face. I'll make it normal. Let's say for example, I need to remove material with this ellipse shape like this. Exit sketch, isometric. Just I will go here with swept cut. Same here, sketch profile with reference to this. And if I say OK, properly with that shape only material will be removed like this. As you can see, with whatever the shape we have drawn, with that shape material is going to remove here like this. Then just let me go back. That is about this swept boss by using sketch profile. Next we will see about this circular profile. So to create that circular profile, no need to create separate sketch. Just we wanted only this guide curve. And just if I go for swept boss, I'll click on circular profile. If I select this guide profile, directly material will be added with circle shape. You are able to give how much diameter we want here like this. Then if you want inside hello, same we will go for thin feature and we are able to give thickness, which side you want and how much thickness we want like this. With that thickness, exactly that pipe structure will be used. So mainly this swept boss option will be used while creating pipe sections in different ways like this. Again to remove material, same here, no need to go for separately. So if you want to remove material with circular shape, we can use separately this one, or else in swept boss itself we will apply here thin feature and we will get with that thickness. So like that we can use this swept boss and swept cut. I hope you have understood about this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. Once again, thank you so much.